so-called winter a dead season is about to be proved wrong. The Venetian winter has been danced away through pictures, music and words. It only takes entering Palazzo Grassi, which has been featuring a different event every 3 days, across different disciplines, genres and spectators, according to Martin Bettenot, the director of Palazzo Grassi and Punta della Dogana. Bettenot shared a calendar of 27 events in 3 months, from Fashion in Film Festival about the relationship between films, art and fashion, to Nordic Frames, a showcase on Scandinavian electronic sounds. One of the most relevant among these events is Set Up, a 2-year format that focuses on the time between the dismantling of an exhibition and the preparation for the next. On February 23rd and 24th, from 8 p.m. to 2 a.m., artists and performers, united by the research upon the contemporary age codes, are to be brought together at Punta della Dogana. There will be featured very important personalities from the electronic music scene, both currently and from some years ago, such as Mouse and Mars, Matthew Herbert and Laurel Hallow. We'll also have 2 artists who have been very relevant on the Italian performance and dance scene, Collettivo Cinetico's Francesca Pennini and Alessandro Sciarroni. Their mission on this occasion is to establish and redefine the space between an art performance and Punta della Dogana itself.
La Dogana che già ha una forte componente. In altri spazi anche
Sequoia Tiger and Opopopio will be featured in the Cube section. Additional electronic music, but also dance, curious instruments, and Streisaker solo cello live set, Chris Himmler at the drums, a diverse range of performances. And finally a band such as Laibach.
un gruppo importantissimo della scena.
Yes, a very important band on the European industrial scene, focusing on the visual aspects of a performance too. We definitely struck gold with this, and it will be very interesting to see how they interpret Punta della Dogana during their showcase, how they interact with the visitors and all the aspects of their performance.
Punta della Dogana.
Per chi non fosse stato alla precedente edizione, come ci
For
dobbiamo
all people who
immaginare
did
la
not come to the
situazione?
previous edition, what shall we expect? A very magmatic situation. The canon relationship between stage and the audience is completely revolutionized. 5 performances will take place on Friday, February the 23rd and Saturday, February the 24th, in different times and upon different contexts too. The spectator or visitor, it's very hard to tell which suits audiences best in this case, will therefore gradually unwrap the showcase and the featured shows of the night.
Le performance artistiche che sono in programma.